Hey there, space enthusiasts and tech lovers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating milestone in the world of space exploration and innovation. Get ready for a wild ride as we explore SpaceX's upcoming launch and its incredible implications. Imagine this: SpaceX is about to launch a fleet of 25 Starlink satellites, and with this mission, they're about to reach a mind-boggling milestone: over 10,000 satellites in low Earth orbit simultaneously. That's right, folks. In less than 7 years, SpaceX has gone from its first batch of satellites to dominating the skies with an unprecedented number of spacecraft. But here's the kicker: this launch isn't just about the numbers. It's a testament to the rapid advancement of space technology and the vision of a company that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And get this, the timing is almost poetic. It coincides with the 100th anniversary of Robert Goddard's groundbreaking liquid-propelled rocket launch. Talk about a historic moment. Now, let's break down the mission details. The launch, dubbed Starlink Group 17 to 24, is scheduled for a precise moment, 10:16 and 20 seconds p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The Falcon 9 rocket will take off from California's Vandenberg Space Force Base, marking the 17th orbital launch from this site this year. And here's a fun fact: the rocket will be fueled by kerosene, a far cry from Goddard's gasoline-powered rocket a century ago. But wait, there's more. The first stage booster, B-1088, is a veteran in its own right. This booster, with its tail number 1088, is about to embark on its 14th flight. That's right, it's been on 9 previous Starlink missions, 2 missions for the National Reconnaissance Office, and even launched NASA's SpaceX. Talk about a well-traveled rocket. And the landing. Oh, it's going to be a spectacle. B-1088 will aim for a landing on the drone ship, of course I still love, positioned in the Pacific Ocean. This vessel has seen its fair share of action, with this landing being its 184th. SpaceX, with its impressive track record, has successfully landed boosters 586 times to date. Now that's precision and expertise. So what does this all mean? Well, personally, I think it's a testament to the incredible pace of innovation and the vision of companies like SpaceX. The fact that we're talking about thousands of satellites in orbit is mind-boggling. It raises questions about the future of space exploration, communication, and even our understanding of the universe. And the rapid advancement of technology, as seen with these reusable rockets, is a game-changer. In my opinion, this launch is a reminder that we're living in an era of incredible scientific and technological progress. It's a privilege to witness these milestones and see the impact they'll have on our future. So buckle up, because the sky is no longer the limit, and we're about to explore the vast possibilities beyond it.